I know.
Wala kang plate.
Nagdala ako. Wag na, mainit na siya. Minax ko muna.
Wow.
Okay. Para yung Caribbean lagay mo dito. Saka yung harami.
And we can sit more near. And we can...
So
we
this one.
can put more near. Do you want it?
But
No, we have a four tables, okay?
Huh?
4 table.
For
4 table. Okay. We have in only chopstick
Chopstick.
for you.
Oh, thank you.
In the arcade shop.
Oh, so nice.
Yeah. Then you.
But I don't want to use
No, try it. Just practice chopstick.
Okay.
Hindi ba siya
Wala tayo dito.
I didn't drink already.
Wala tayong grape or something eh.
Hindi mo natin kailangan yun. Wala tayong hugasan. That's all. Wala ba? Water.
Our kanin pa.
Iching yun.
Kaya nga eh.
Sa baba yun ichiching. Bayang malakas muna, heater natin yan.
Anna said you like lemon so much with alcohol. You need lemon. Huh?
But we have beer.
Okay.
Why? May bear ka?
Oh, ayun o. Lamig eh.
Stock lang po yan.
This is rice. You
It's
must
almost
make rice hot now?
Yeah, maybe. Not yet. Because 10 a.m. ate.
AM?
10 p.m.
Yung breakfast natin, kunin natin dahil.
Tayo kukuha doon?
8 to 10.
Okay.
Minus one.
No, it's okay. Sa nga lang pinitbit ko eh. Kasi baka di naman gusto mo.
O sige, we have water in the room.
Yes, but I put some empty bottle. We can
We
bring.
have water in the room if we can drink.
Yes, we have, but not enough.
Not enough.
Yeah, it's okay. We have...
I can bring this.
Naantok na yan. Kaya gusto mo kasi na yan.
But this is for service for now. Later we can bring. Okay.
We have water. No water in the room, isn't it?
We have water in the room, but not enough. Too water. We have.
Yes. You understand my honey? So sweet?
Maybe
Hindi ko to
we
kailangan.
have empty
Ay,
bottle.
wala mo tayo sasaksakan eh. Gusto kong mag-charge dito ng cellphone. Wala naman.
Anna, if you are going to room, can you bring empty bottle inside the black plastic? Okay, can you bring here? Oh, someone gets so much hungry, I think.
Kaisel, meat place is just only. Bawal sa kanya yan. Parang siyang ginastos niya. Dito ka lang. Ang meat only is this one, yasay, and the meat. Separate. I told her because she don't know.
Yeah, sorry.
Basta steady ka lang sa isang ganyan
I
kasi
put little bit
bawal sa kanila yun.
I understand you because in our religion, we don't eat
Blood
blood.
of meat, pork. Same also. We have eat pork but the blood no. Yes.
Can I put two?
Yeah.
Can I put which one? Can I put this one?
Any kind?
Hi. We understood
Nako.
each other.
Ay, ito yung mama kasama.
Oh, I don't know. English. Oh, we have a new toothpick of tamanegi. Just only one? Why only one only?
What?
This one is for the tamanegi. Twin, two only. Anna took the toothpick just two only.
So sometimes.
Four, di ba? Four. No, nothing.
It's hot here.
Kaysel, baka malakas na hinaan mo, Kaysel. Nakamax yan eh.
Hindi pa rin nga po, ma'am.
Okay.
Sobrang lamig po kasi.
I put like that. Is it okay for you?
Yeah.
Pretty. Let me take a
Okay,
picture.
this is,
What will you put here at
We
the
can use
center?
maybe.
I don't know. What
Mami, ano po yung sa center?
chicken first, I think, or fish? Which one first, or meat?
Chicken or meat?
Doesn't
Okay.
matter.
Oh, wait lang.
Picture
Because it's very... But it's so difficult because the side is pork. No, pork.
Pagtapos ko na naman.
Okay, we
Mabilis
can
lang.
only we can start with
Or
yasai.
mamaya na lang, ma'am.
Ito na lang isa. Malambot na. This is the gyu harami.
Barbecue in cold weather.
Very, very like frozen pa ang meat.
Ay, well, di nga po pala siya pwede, mami, sa video.
No, no video.
I am so scared
Mm.
person. Don't joke.
Barbecue in a cold weather. Ito akin lahat yung mami. Puro gulay.
Is this garbage?
Yeah. Where's the another phone? Nasusunod din gulay. Ito is beef. Oh my God.
Ayun po, mami, kumakain siya.
Oo, beef only. Don't put oil.
Wala.
Ayun, hindi na siya pwede.
Can I open it a bit? Because so much smoke
Huh?
inside.
Ah, okay.
Ah, okay. Okay.
Oh, dan. Getting hot.
No
It's
smoke.
getting hot.
It's getting hot in here. All your clothes.
Ay! Toothpick. Diyan ito. Wow. Toothpick is like that. The gyu harami. This is beef.
Okay.
You also right side only, ah?
Also right side only, huh?
You also. Don't forget it.
Don't forget it. You'll regret it. Mother knows best. Ano ba ito? Parang
So much. Oh, drink.
No, first I must make this rice hot.
Oh my God. Very hot. Hot. Baka nasusunog. Nasusunog na itong gyu. Gyu is getting black.
Akin na initing ko yung kanin doon.
Getting black. Dali lang.
Pahingi ng, akin na yung plastic, pahingi ang plastic. Yeah. Dalawang tissue, grabe yung hapon ko. Uy!
Parang sa itong
Bakit
tanga.
tatlo lang to?
It's okay. Hindi naman ako magkakanin.
Hindi ko kain kanin.
Oh, ang dami natin kakainin gulay.
Ako mo para mabili na.
Tapos kumuha ka nga ng toothpick ulit pang tuhog ko sa sibuyas, tapos pinggan pare.
Pinggan.
Wala palang pinggan, wala tayong paglalagay. Pinggan.
Tapos,
Pati dito, tapos ganito para lagay ng lemon. Dalawa lang kinuha mo. Di ba apat tayo? Bakit nagdadalawa lang kinuha mo?
Can you take vegetable too?
O yung chicken mo naman yung mga yasay, Kaisel. Lulagay mo dito.
Pwede mo basura natin.
Ayan pare.
Bakit may laganda yung basura?
Are you going to make rice hot?
Yes,
Can I come with you?
with water. Where's all water?
Ito yung kare, di masarap.
Here, you put here.
Pare, pinggang marami ha.
Pinggan.
Tsaka yung ganito. Tsaka toothpick para sa kamanegi. Very hot. Very ano pa to eh. Like a stone. That's why. I
Do we
remove.
need something from the down?
I told Anna already.
Okay.
Ngayon luto na, lagay mo na dito kasi lalagyan ito ng asin. Asan ang aking cellphone? Dali, magla-live na ako ba? Magpe-prepare na ako eh. We had a getting here. We had a getting here. Where's my cellphone? Please, 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 my cellphone. Hazel, what are you cooking?
Yasay to butabara.
Yung beef ni Oscar, baka mapasama ha. We're cooking. Nag-ayos muna ko ng water. Yung iilawin ko. O diba, ang ganda po dito, may barbecue house. Separate sa room namin. Separate sa house namin. We have this karibi from Haruchang Hormone Yak ni Kuya.
Yay!
Yung karibi. And gyutang. And gyuharami. Yung iba po iniihaw na. We have a vegetable, mushroom, and the piman. And kalabasa. We have a tibasaki chicken wings. Lalagyan ko siya ng ricado. And the fish. Masarap ba yung mga shokusudan? O diba? Hindi maganda na. Joke lang. Kunwari maganda ako.
Maganda ka naman.
And then, meron po kami inumin from Turkey. From my BFF po. From Turkey po. Si Ana siguro wine. Wine nga sa kanya. Si Kaisel mag-beaver ka lang. Tiyang tiyang.
Juice na.
Juice? Punta ka sa baba. Ang laki naman itong isda na to. Nag-iinit ko sila ng rice. Umiilaw-ilaw po ang aming mga kapitbahay kasi lahat po kami mag-iilaw.
Ano mo Christmas eh.
Christmas.
Mami, saan
Tigas
mo
pa.
lalagay yung kay...
O sige, i-separate mo naman. Ito. Dalawa to eh. Huwag mo masyado pati sunugin, matitigas siya. Gugas na. Ay, shit, ang cellphone ko. Titigas pa kasi.